got the headlight mounts, shock mounts built, tacked together. They're not welded solid, but I got them tacked together. Pretty simple, nothing complicated. Yeah, working on the shock mounts, headlight mounts. I got the shock mount brackets made, and what I've done, I made a jig which represents the shock absorber and halfway of its travel. In other words, 12.5 inches. The shock goes from 10.5 to 15. From 10.5 inches to 15 inches. So this is 12.5 inches what I got here, which is pretty close to the center of the travel of the shock. So this is because you know you can't, a shock's gonna spring open, you can't hold it in one spot. So I made this little jig to hold it, hold these brackets, so I can weld them in. That's what that's for. So I'm gonna stick it in there, weld them brackets on, and do the other side, and then the shock mounts will be done. Yeah, nothing complicated. I cut these dust covers off these shocks to make them look more like hot rod shocks without spending a lot of money. Of course, all it's got to be painted black, rubbed with silver, so antique it with silver. But yeah, I just got it stuck together. Matter of fact, just got the headlights. I just stuck the glass lenses on the headlights, cleaned them up, just stuck them on there, kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like. I think it looks all right. I think it's going to work. Matter of fact, I love it. I think Red likes it. Looks like he likes it. I don't know if I don't think I did mention this, but this car is a 31 Chevy two-door. Independence is the model. This is the Independence model. So, happy Independence Day. In case I don't see you guys between now and then. Probably not. It'll probably be after the 4th. I'll put up another video. I got grass to cut. A lot of grass to cut. So I got to do some yard work next couple of days. Hopefully it'll cool off a degree or two. And the next couple of days, hopefully I can get a cloudy day, catch it between showers or something. I don't know, but it's I got to cut grass. I got to take off a couple of days of a hot rod or a rat rod and do yard work. So that was that. Yeah, them headers are gonna look good. It's gonna be all right. Not homemade, but they look good anyway. I was gonna make the same thing. If I made homemade ones, I was gonna make some just like that. That's what I wanted, with the cutout, so I could run a pipe down and back, out the side, or underneath the bottom, out the back, or something, just to quieten it down some, and just unbolt them plates when I get to a rat rod event or somewhere where I want to make a bunch of noise. Yeah, we got it. All right, happy 4th of July. Appreciate you.